Bullish Nucypher cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 47 cents and $1.03 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nu could reach 47 cents by 2025. Bearish Nucypher market cost expectation for 2022 is 8 cents. Nucypher presentation. Nucypher's encryption administrations depend on various cryptographic conventions that together give insider facts the board for blockchain applications. The stage can be utilized to progressively get to delicate information on open organizations while keeping the information classified. The Nucypher stage utilizes various cryptographic apparatuses and methods to give security to blockchain applications. The stage gives an approach to safely divide information among gatherings and control admittance to information utilizing consents. Nucypher likewise offers a decentralized key administration framework, which makes it conceivable to store and oversee keys in a conveyed way. What is Nucypher? Nucypher hubs. The Nucypher stage's organization hubs are answerable for putting away and dispersing information across the organization. As a trade-off for their administrations, hubs procure compensations as the ERC20 Nu token. To guarantee completely honest intentions among hub administrators, a base inventory of Nucypher Nu tokens should be marked. Advantages of the Nucypher stage. The advantages of the Nucypher stage relate straightforwardly to its security components. All information is scrambled before it even arrives at the organization, implying that would-be aggressors wouldn't have the option to get a handle on any caught data. Besides, in light of the fact that information is conveyed across various hubs, there is no weak link that could prompt a horrendous framework-wide break. Nucypher elements. These elements make Nucypher an alluring recommendation for undertakings who wish to store delicate information on a blockchain without settling on security. With its accentuation on protection and decentralization, Nucypher likewise has possible applications in fields like medical services and money. Nucypher is a task that gives cryptographic instruments to empower protection safeguarding decentralized frameworks. The venture has been a work in progress beginning around 2017 and the Nu token was delivered in October 2020. From that point forward, the task has accumulated consideration from the crypto local area and got positive audits. The way into Nucypher's prosperity. The way into Nucypher's prosperity will be its capacity to keep on developing its client base and grow its utilization cases. On the off chance that it can do that, then, at that point, there is no great explanation for why it couldn't become one of the main 10 digital currencies by market capitalization inside the following couple of years. Decentralized Key Administration Framework. It isn't yet clear what has caused this abrupt interest in Nucypher, yet it very well may be because of expanding consciousness of the venture as it gets some forward movement inside the more extensive crypto environment. Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework that permits clients to scramble and impart information to one another in a safe manner. The venture has stood out for its potential use cases in different enterprises, going from medical care to back. With such a huge level of Nu being held by the marking contract, almost certainly, this new flood in exchanging action is because of Nu holders and financial backers purchasing up Nu to stake them and procure rewards. There could be critical gain potential for the people who can get involved right off the bat. Nucypher current cost. Nucypher is presently worth 10 cents USD. Nu has moved 1.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,869,644. Nucypher is right now positioned 262 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $74,411,704 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nucypher to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Expectations at Nucypher's future cost are by and large certain, with most reporters anticipating huge development before long. This is obvious given areas of strength for the undertaking, including an accomplished group, strong innovation, and developing associations. In any case, it ought to be noticed that value forecasts are never 100% precise and that cryptographic money costs are exceptionally unpredictable. In view of this, anybody considering putting resources into Nucypher ought to do their own examination and just contribute what they can stand to lose in light of the fact that Nucypher costs can drop and the digital currency market endures when it crashes. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Nucypher market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nucypher Value Expectation 2022. Nucypher, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The new cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 15 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. averaging 14 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Nu is supposed to have a base worth of 12 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Nucypher new cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nu will before long outperform 26 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nu's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nu will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 21 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 23 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 36 cents and Nu might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nu is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 33 cents and a low of 31 cents in 2024. Nucypher Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Nucypher effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Nu coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nu will be green in 2025. The Nu is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 47 cents, with a base cost of 42 cents and a typical cost of 44 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nu cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 54 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 52 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nu has a greatest value worth of 57 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 65 cents. In the event that Nu figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 68 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Nu needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 63 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. While Nu is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 73 cents and a yearly cost close above 79 cents in 2028. Nucypher Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Nucypher will at last outperform its past ATH values and record Nu cost level. The base cost could be 84 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 89 cents. Averaging out at 86 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Nu cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.03 in